Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today we have something special. Something that makes Ninja here has mixed feelings. So...
I'm so excited.
You're excited?
Yes, but at the same time I'm really sad.
Why? Come on. And this is what we have today, guys. Whoa!
Ta-da!
The Ninja
Foodie! Our new member of the family.
We're gonna be cooking a lot of stuff in here, guys. So this is like an unboxing video for you guys to see the whole thing and have an idea how it works, the things that we can do with it, what comes in the box and everything. It's something new in the market.
Yes.
It's not a lot of people that have it. So we want to give it a good try and we're gonna be cooking a lot of stuff in here. So let's get into it.
Oh my God, I am so excited. This is just unbelievable. This is just like
This is supposed to be the Maserati, the Cadillac, the Lamborghini of the pressure cookers.
Yes, it is.
I don't know why, but
Yes.
it has a lot of buttons in there. It has a lot of stuff, which I don't understand anything about it. But I'm pretty sure Miss Ninja here is going to explain everything, so...
And I'm so excited and at the same time I'm sad, like I said before, but let me tell you why this is like the top of the line of the pressure cookers. Because it's not only a pressure cooker, it's an air fryer at the same time. The new oil is the no oil.
So we can do chicken wings in there?
Yes, you can do chicken wings, you can do meat, you can do soups, you can make at the same time a full dinner. You can be making your rice and your protein and your vegetables, everything at the same time. You can saute, you can sear. It's a slow cooker. It's I mean, it has so many things that I'm like, I need to read it because it is unbelievable.
Somebody's too excited.
I am.
Explain to me, what is this for?
Okay, this is the cover that you put in here.
You put it inside there?
You put it right on top, okay? And it becomes your pressure cooker.
Alright, so what is this then?
This is the air fryer.
Oh.
So whatever you pressure cook in here, then you can crisp it with no oil. It's an air fryer. Let me tell you something. I'm a fan of the air fryers. I have one. But I was a little upset with it because it was too bulky for a kitchen, right?
Yeah.
Now I got everything in one. My crock pot, goodbye crock pot. Why? Because this is a slow cooker too. It does it all. That's what I'm saying. I mean, this is like the top of the line of the pressure cookers.
Can you do dessert in there?
You can bake. You can bake in here.
You can bake?
Yes.
Wow.
You can bake in here. You can, let me read here everything because there's so many features at the same time that this is just unbelievable. And guess what? Part of my family, it's called a Ninja Foodie. I love it. It's a ninja, that's why it does everything. You can pressure cook. You can steam. You can slow cook. You can air crisp. You can bake. You can roast. You can broil. You can sear. You can saute. This is the one that got me that I'm like, this is unbelievable. You can dehydrate. I'm gonna be able to make beef jerky. Can you believe that? You can dehydrate. This is just like unbelievable. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Well guys, this look really good. It's not too expensive if you think about all the things that it does combined. Yes. It is about, I think it's $139. We're gonna put the link on the bottom so you guys can check it out. This was my present for Miss Ninja here.
Another home run!
And we're gonna be cooking a lot of stuff in here, guys. So keep tuned. Give us a like if you like this video. If you want to say anything about the cooker or whatever, put it down in the comments. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Get ready because more is coming.
And I'm so happy with her. And I'm sad for my other one.
We're gonna throw that thing away.
No, we're not.
Woo!